Angular kinetics is study of the causes of rotational motion, that is what makes the object rotate or spin rather than move in a straight line. It focuses the torques, moments of inertia, and angular momentum, similar to linear kinetics that works forces and linear motion. So, yun po yung ano, it's all about the study of the how things are moving in a rotational motion. Okay? So, one of the sample na pwede natin makuha is sa baseball pitching. So, sa baseball pitching, marami silang ginagawang paghawak ng bola, maybe 3 seam, 2 seam, 4 seam. So, to manipulate or to ano, to tawag to, para maiba yung angular momentum, or to resist yung force sa supposed to be na dapat straight siya, magiging curve siya, because they manage to work as they manage to spin while they are pitching. So yun, yung pinaka magandang example is sa baseball pitching po. Nakikita natin maraming throw ng isang pitcher, mayroon slider, mayroon riser, mayroon straight ball, mayroon change up din. So dun mas nahihirapan yung batter na mag-bat. So the joints are involved sa pitching, baseball pitching, is hip joint, trunk, shoulder joint, elbow joint, wrist joint. And torque in baseball pitching is created through a sequential rotation from the hips. So, galing dito sa hips hanggang sa spine, sa shoulder, sa elbow, hanggang sa wrist. Yun po yung it's all about the spin. They spin the ball para hindi siya madaling tamaan. So, yun lang po. Thank you.